You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this delicious dish from Italy? A classic recipe with bacon and mushrooms and cream. Delicious. Some use tomato sauce as well. Anyhow, penne, that's the shape of the pasta, but you can make it with different shapes, farfalle, etc. If you want to learn, by the way, more different classic names from Italian cuisine, stay tuned. So penne, that's the shape. Alla, meaning made as, or that's the transition word. Penne alla Boscaiola, that's your Italian pronunciation. Penne, you do want to stress on that double N for penne. Penne alla Boscaiola. In English, simply English pronunciation. Penne alla Boscaiola. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.